Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. You got your girl. You got your girl, Purple. And baby Orlando is in school, y'all. He's in school and your girl is off today. I'm doing a little bit of cleaning around the house, but y'all, I know you guys have been on the Shein app and seen those mystery boxes, because I have. And y'all know your girl, Purple. Curiosity got to me. So I did order one of the mystery boxes. So if y'all want to see what I got in the first mystery box, because I've ordered two, one showed up yesterday, then stay tuned. Okay, rollies. So I got a package in the mail yesterday and it didn't say Shein on it or anything, so I opened it and I looked and I'm like, what is this? Because I didn't order this. And I'm like, what? So, you know, I got the tracking number. I went to Shein because, you know, they've been using some strange shipping companies, but this package came through the regular mail. That was one of the tracking numbers that was on my Shein shipment, but it was under the mystery box. So y'all, let me show y'all what came in the mystery box. The mystery box was not really a box. It was an envelope and it had two items in it. I'm gonna show you guys. Actually, I'm not mad at the mystery box. So the first item I got here is a watch. It's a burgundy watch. Y'all see it? I haven't had a watch in a while. Other than, you know, I have the, what's the watch that goes with your phone? That watch, but I never wear it, and I thought I needed that watch so bad. It's not an Apple Watch, but it's the one just like an Apple Watch that does all the stuff with the app and all that. I never wear it, but since I will be going on a cruise in a couple weeks, I did think about, you know what, I need to have a watch because I'm not going to really have my phone on me all the time. So this is perfect. So, okay. And the second item that was in the mystery bag or box or whatever is this. And I actually saw this on Shein myself, and I was gonna order it. You guys see what it is? It is one of those little ear cuffs that go around your ear with butterflies on it. And if you guys know me, you know I love me some butterflies, y'all. So it is in the gold tone with like rhinestone butterflies. Y'all see that? And it goes around your ear. So this will definitely get used. So this is actually something that I would purchase. So those were the two items that was in the mystery box that I purchased from Shein. So comment below, let me know what you thought of my mystery box. Have you ordered anything from that mystery box? Were you curious about what would be in it, like me? Comment below, let me know. And I did make this as a quick video because y'all see where I'm at. Y'all see where I'm at making a video. I will be coming up with some updates on my dates because some of my rollies want to know what the girl's been into, and I will share some of the details, not all, but I will share some details. I will actually start making, I don't know, I'm not going to say that. I won't say that until I actually do it and find the right time to do that. But I will be bringing the baby on a video or two, And y'all definitely coming on the cruise with us. So yeah, if there's something that y'all wanted to see the baby and myself do, particularly on the cruise, comment below and let me know. I'm gonna try to record as much as I can. Yeah, maybe not, because y'all know I don't really like to record. I like to enjoy the moment. I will take the camera here and there on the cruise and record some things, but I prefer to enjoy the moment. Everything doesn't have to be documented. That's just me. I'm not that person that's always with the camera. It's some people, oh my gosh, they get on your nerves. I don't like it, and I don't want to be that person that's always got the camera up in your face and somebody's always got their phone taking pictures. Like, why are you taking a picture? Is you even enjoying yourself? That get on my nerves, y'all. That gets on my nerves. And it also get on my nerves, the people that don't participate in stuff, but they sit back with their phone, video recording everything and then posting everything. Like, why? For what? Like, is that enjoyment to you? Well, I guess it takes all types. I'm just a person who likes to enjoy the fun at the moment, and I am a person that likes to be in the middle of the fun, not watch it happen around me. So, until the next video, worlies, later.